U.S. Army Garrison Japan's Directorate of Plans, Training, Mobilization and Security conducted a tabletop exercise on humanitarian aid, disaster relief, and evacuation strategies for neighboring Sagamihara-city residents.
The scenario basically was that there was a fire off post that spread out of control. And because of the dryness of the air and the wind direction, it trapped people so that they really didn't have anywhere to go except onto Camp Zama. Sagamihara-city then requested of our garrison commander, could they evacuees come onto the Camp Zama short-term to a temporary safe haven to make sure that they were safe.
Camp Zama's Directorate units, the Japan Ground Self-Defense Force, and Sagamihara-city's crisis management team came together to talk about their strategies for the evacuation.
I believe it was a well-prepared and beneficial exercise, so I'm glad that I was able to attend. And I recognize that soldiers, civilian, and Japanese local national employees who participated in this exercise today are all very passionate about saving people's lives.
We had a lot of different ideas, a lot of different perspectives. People were very, very passionate and voicing their opinions, and that's so great because it means our plan will be that much better because of the work we did today.
USAC Japan conducts several bilateral exercises with neighboring cities throughout the year. Garrison officials say they will continue to partner with Sagamihara-city and other surrounding communities to ensure disaster management readiness. Reporting from Camp Zama, Japan, I'm Aya Watsuji.